So today we'll be designing an e-commerce furniture app. So let's start by first creating an artboard. So I've taken this gradient from a website and you can also use this. It will be available in the description below. So right now we are creating menu buttons. So start off by creating a rectangle and rounding the circles. And you can always turn on the grids. Place the search icon to the top right of the screen. Right now we'll be creating all the required menu buttons. So let's create all the menu buttons. Reduce the opacity for others. Let's give a nice underline below all and show that it's selected. Group them. You can always use Ctrl G to do that. So let's create cards for the products right now. So this is a black gradient. It's very easy and you can do that. And all the source files will be available for XD in the description. Make sure to use that. Put on the chair name and bring the right chair in the file into the card and size it accordingly. So let's create the color variation buttons for the chair too. Let's add the price tag at the bottom. So sizings are basically done on 8s and 16s. So if you know the sizing, so let me know if you know about sizing and colors and grid systems in Adobe XD and Figma. I will surely make a video if I get enough comments for that. So copy the same gradient and paste the same properties and create one more rounded rectangular card for the product information. Now bring in the like, heart, create the menu buttons by creating a rectangle and rounding the edges to above 40 and reducing the opacity to 50. Now bring in the icons and make sure that the opacity of others are less than the home button and size them accordingly. create a rectangle and use the same gradient, copy paste the properties and down one of the edges to the bottom left. Bring in the red chair and start creating an image slider. So we can do that by creating a small rectangle surrounding them. Nice. Once that's done, let's fill in the description. So let's create an add to cart button, and we'll be using the same gradient of the above card for the cart's background. From the corners, reduce the opacity and copy paste the property. Right now let's create a 360-degree rotation for the chair, so it won't be completely 360-degree but similar to that. Prototype the with the drag option. Let's mark animate and zoom in result. And let's also put in the back buttons and navigate the prototype to back.